simplest way. This is the way. This is the simplest way. Just gently let your attention rest in your heart, as if you are in lap of God, loving lap of God. You may have forgotten, most of us forget how we felt when we were 3 months old, 4 months old, and how we felt in mother's lap. We don't have that memory. But we have a memory of holding grandchildren, our children, right? And we have almost forgotten how it felt to be in the lap of God, in His love. It's not physical, it's simply love. It is all embracing, unconditional love. Demands nothing. We just have to tear down all our barriers and boundaries, limits, and let go. I remain prayerful often in this state of mind before meditation that God, I don't even know you. Do we? No. But as I know that you are love and I like to feel your presence in my heart, and with that hope, with that prayer, I'd like to plunge myself in that infinite ocean of love that you are, and just be in that silent moment and receive His love and His grace. And that's what meditation is. It's nothing to do with chanting. It has nothing to do with any sort of recitation. Any imagination that we may have about God or even ideas about God will only derail our meditation. Any idea will gravitate you only towards what you already know, which is limited. Most Hindus, one of them will say, oh, it's Krishna. Some of them will say it's Rama. If you have a Christian background, you will say it's Lord Jesus. It's okay, belief is good. But even during their lifetime, no one could understand them. How are you going to understand them now when they are not physically present with you? Think over it. So we have to take this abstract and very sincere approach that I know nothing. Then something can happen.